Hello everybody, welcome to another short tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Microsoft 365, or normally it was formerly known as Office 365 on Windows 11 laptop or computer. So in order to download that, first of all, we have to go to any browser. I'm here at Google browser. Let's type Microsoft 365 download. Right, you will go into this Microsoft page, right, and just click on the first one. Click on the first page. Yep, you will see download Microsoft 365. You have an option to download for the Windows and for the Mac, but right now we are downloading it for Windows. Let's click on here. Just click on download. Right, so it is downloading here. Right, so I already had this downloaded. So once it gets downloaded, you can just go into your download folder from the File Explorer, go to downloads. Yep, that has already been downloaded. I'll just double click on it. It will take some time to get it installed. Just click yes in here. We will wait and see. It will take some time. It might take up to like 5 to 10 minutes sometimes, or sometimes even more than that. It really depends on your internet speed as well sometimes, and it depends on the speed, on the performance of your computer as well. It is getting downloaded. It is installing. Now Office 365 has been installed in our laptop, and now um, how to find out the Office 365 or Microsoft 365 in your laptop. So in order to find that, we can't, let's say if we just type Microsoft 365, we can't find that, right? We will find just the web results in here, or we can find a Microsoft Teams or Microsoft OneDrive, right? So the Microsoft 365, it basically it installed Excel, Word, Outlook, and OneNote applications. Right, just search for either Word or Outlook, whatever you like, or even Excel. Right, so here for the simplicity, I will just type Microsoft Word. I'll just click on Word, and it will open the Word document right in here. Right, but when we click on new document, and we can see that we are not signed in. So basically we are using the unlicensed version, right? So with this one, we can't use the full functionality of Microsoft 365 Word feature. So in order to sign in, just click on sign in here, right? And then I'm just gonna put my email address here at sts.co.au. Next. Yeah, I'm just gonna put my password. Right now, it will take me to my authentication app. 33. If you want a video on this as well, how to set up the authenticator app, I will make, just comment down below. Just click yes, confirm. All right, now, so yeah, it will ask, do you want to sign in into all apps like Outlook, Excel, OneNote, and all? If you want, just click OK. Otherwise, just click no sign in into this app. But for now, I'll just click OK, because I want all my Excel, Word, Outlook, everything to be signed in with this account. So I'll just click OK. It is just registering the company policy. It will take some time. All right, click done. All right, cool. So our Office 365 is ready. Now, if you just click in, you'll just see your um, login. And if you just click on File and then go to Account, you will see like yeah, these are the applications that you got access with: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Note, and Access. All right. If you like the video, don't forget to click the like button and feel free to subscribe as well. Thank you.